when we start filling those shells, we let the thing down and start filling the shells, that oven, it should kick on. If it doesn't, we're in trouble.
Friday, Mom.
I'll say you're going to get 4 pies out of that. With all that.
Man. Ooh, can we do it? Oh, there's stuff at the bottom. No, you don't.
You want a mixer? I got a mixer.
Oh, he'll splatter that everywhere.
I wouldn't.
How do you do it?
I
What's
just
your
stir it up with a spoon.
Yeah.
With a mixing spoon.
Well, here, give me a freaking mixing spoon. Which one? That one? I'm just trying to get all the crap off the sides. All right. Alright, we got 2 homogeneous mixtures here. This one is not homogeneous at all for some reason.
What's homogeneous?
Homo, same, it's all the same. Like there's no different pieces to it, it's like all the same mixture. So like no chunks or whatever, it's just all identical.
It's probably got a pH balance of 2.4% of orange.
It's quite neutral. A little bit acidic because the milk.
Since you're the
I hope
chemist.
it doesn't have pH balance of sulfuric acid. We'd be in trouble.
Since you're the chemist.
Oh, we got. What are we doing? You're gonna toast the crust.